So, hello students, welcome to your math class. In last class, children, we have learned exterior angle theorem for a triangle. In this class, we are going to learn angle sum properties of a triangle. So, children, as we know that in a triangle there are three angles, three sides, three vertices, three altitude, as well as three median also. So children, if there are three angles, so the sum of all the angle of triangle is 180 degree by angle sum properties of theorem. Children, now we will learn this, means we will prove it. The sum of all the angle of triangle is 180 degree through a activity. So take a paper and scissors. The chart paper we fold is like 3 times. Okay, done. Now we cut 3 triangles. Now we will cut 3 triangle of corresponding sides are equal and like that, children. Okay, now we get there 3 triangles, okay, of the same side and same length. So children, in triangle, this is the triangle 1, 2 and 3. Now children, we take it triangle 1, triangle 2, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So write their name angle 1, 2 and 3 in all. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Like that, same you have to write there angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Now, in third one you have to also write angle 1, 2 and angle 3. So children, sum of the angle, all angle of triangle is 180 degree. We have to show it. Students, now we will put the angle 2 is here. This is angle 3 plus angle 1, like that you have to put there, and plus angle 2. Okay, so when we keep the angle 1 plus angle 2 and this is angle 2, yes, like that. So children, what we got? Please zoom it. So children, angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2, when we add them, so we get a semicircle which is make a straight line. Okay, this is make a straight line, so that make a straight angle. It means sum of angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 of the triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree. It's clear? So children, angle sum property of triangle is that the sum of all interior angle of triangle is equal to 180 degree. As we know that sum of the all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. That's we proved through a activity. Okay, and one more activity you can do there. Suppose this is angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. You cut these 3 angles like that. Angle 1 we get there, okay, and this is the angle 2, cut it. Okay, so children, we get there angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. When we will add them, angle 1 plus angle 2 and plus angle 3, so again we get the straight line, that one. Okay, they make a 180 degree. Understood? So there are 2 activities. By these 2 activities, we proved the sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. But children, now we are going to prove it by alternate using the properties of parallel line and transversal, which you have studied in chapter number 5, lines and angles. So children, the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so we have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. This we have to prove. Children, here given that, what is given there? Here given a triangle that is A, B and C. This is means a triangle is given there. Okay, without a triangle is given there. Now children, we have to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so construction, what we will do in the construction, children, we will draw a line L which is parallel to the AB. Okay, we draw a line L which is parallel to this A and B. We draw a line L parallel to A. Children, if L is parallel to AB, then this considered C. So CA is a transversal. Yes, if say CA is a transversal as well as this DB is also, CA is a transversal and CB is a transversal. So children, we know that angle D is equal to angle A by alternate interior angle property. So children, angle A is equal to angle D, angle D is equal to angle A, and angle E is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle A by alternate angles. Okay, we know that alternate interior angles are equal. So children, if A which is equal to D and B which is equal to E. So children, this we consider that is equation number 1, and where we will add them, angle D plus angle C plus angle E. So D plus C plus E, this make 180 degree. This make 180 degree, na? So children, C plus D plus E which make 180 degree. We consider that is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, if A is equal to D, so we replace D by A. यहाँ पर जो D है उसको हम A से रिप्लेस कर देंगे, ठीक, and E will be replaced by B. So E को हम क्या करेंगे, B से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. So we get A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So that's proof.